just had a mouthful of orange squash straight after Bailey's. It was amazing. Hey gang, hey friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Oh look, a little star on my thumb. Hello star. I hope this video finds you well. How are you? If you're new, then hello. My name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff, nail stuff, and the stuff she does with nails is done with nail stuff and stuff for nails. Need to work on the breathing. My Better Nails loading clearly was a lie because they're just getting worse. So excuse the nails. What was her name? Oh, what was her name? That woman who bitched about Jules. What would Jules think? Who cares? We're starting with Dusky Pink. This pink, it's so good. You need it. It's a Gel Perfection colour. You can get all the Gel Perfection stuff at diamondglitters.co.uk and you can use code TEAMDG for a discount. I'm doing that on 2 nails, 3 nails, we'll see. 3 nails. And then I'm doing sheer pink on 2. I'm doing 2 coats of sheer pink on 2 of them. I'm using this Born Pretty stamping plate. You can use code MISSJO20 for 20% off. And I'm going to stamp this lace over one of the nails. I'll put a link in the description to my video on how to stamp and all different techniques for that. But yeah, so the reason I did 2 coats of sheer pink on a couple of them was just to kind of mimic a natural nail bed because we're going to do stuff at the tip. And obviously these pops are clear. So I'm stamping. It wasn't big enough, so I'm just going to stamp again. But I'm not going to scrape the whole thing on the nail or press the whole thing on the nail. I'm just going to gently poke. There we go. And just push it on a tiny bit just to get the bits we missed. And then I'm going to top that with diamond glass, of course. And then we'll go into the next one. Yeah, this pink, Dusky Pink, is just... I'm not a very pink person. Well, no, I'd say I'm more of a kind of beach coloured, you know, like that wood, like a light ash beach. Probably a bit of pink. But this pink is really, really lovely. So I'm now taking this spider gel. I also did a video on that, which I might put the link in the description to, just what it's about. And I do a little rainbow design with spider gels and neon pigments. So I'm taking this. This stuff is so sticky. It gets everywhere. I was sticking to things. It's not fun to work with, I don't think, but it does look kind of nice. I'm going back and forward because if you go round and round the nail, you kind of pick up a new line every time as you go underneath the nail. So it gets a bit much quite quickly. And then obviously if it was a person, they'd get it all on the underside. So I'm curing that and... Sorry, I just ran up the stairs before doing this voiceover and then ran back down again. Silly idea, I can barely breathe at the best of times. I've done a coat of the first base over the cured spider gel, which is from Amazon, by the way, that spider gel. It doesn't have a brand. Because I want to do this heart using Alaska, which is the Gel Perfection White. And I wouldn't have been able to get it to, well, I tried to do it straight over the spider gel, but where it's stringy, it had kind of texture and it wasn't looking right. So I did the base coat, cured base coat. I have one of those dots on my tongues that means you told a lie. I don't think I did. Anyway, cured that and then did the heart and then cured that and then topped. I'm now going to do just a pink French using the Dusky Pink on one of these nails. I did try to do, or I did, but I threw it away. I did a smile line, but put like a heart in the middle. So it kind of, as it got to the center, it went up into a heart. I thought it would look cute. No, it looked ridiculous. So I'm just going to do a plain French. So I've drawn the line with a detail brush and then I'm just going to fill it in with the polish brush. I do have a video on how to map out a smile line. Wow, everything I have in this video I've already got detailed other videos of, so I'll put them in the description if you want to have a look, or I'll put them on one of those little things that floats at the top. And if you click on those, it gives you a list of all the things that are floating at the top, which I found out yesterday. So I haven't shut up. I have just had a sip of Bailey's though, so That's my excuse. One sip. It's my first sip of the year, so maybe I've not as immune to it as I became in last lockdown. So I've cured the dusky pink French, and I'm now outlining it with white so that it matches the main, what I'm calling the main nail of this set, the design of this set. Kind of reminds me of ballet slippers. I did ballet for about 3 minutes when I was younger. Mum had me all set up, all kit and caboodle. Oh shit, the bed. Nearly knocked my laptop on the floor. Tutu, the proper shoes, tights, the outfit, everything. And I got there and cried and said, I don't like it. So we came home. I did have lots of after school clubs though. Gymnastics, horse riding, karate, I think chess at one point, but that was just because I fancied a boy in it, whose name was Nicholas Nixon. Is that not the funniest name ever? Nicholas has no knickers. Nicks on. Put your nicks on. Anyway, I was like 6, so that was hilarious. I'm writing love. This took several attempts. I just couldn't get happy with it. And then we're going to cure that. You don't have to join this up if that looks a bit too fiddly. You could just do it in normal letters, and then maybe you'd want to join them up at some point. So just even if you just did little lines between each one, so that when you have this bit here, you know where to stop with the pink. So I cured love, and now I'm doing everything underneath in the dusky pink. I saw this a lot with the word joy at Christmas, and I really liked it, and I never got round to doing a set with it. So we're making it love now. Although that O kind of looks like an E and an R. Love. That still works. I love you. So put it on with the polish bottle brush first, and then just using a detailer brush to get up into there. So that's why you'd want to join the letters up somehow so you knew where to stop taking the pink. I'm going to do this with Make It Velvet. Velvet. That's my velvet voice. Does it sound like velvet feels? No, it sounds like I have a sore throat. I'm dying. And that's that one. That's the main nail. I thought after the Harry Potter set we did the other day, there was a lot going on. There was a lot of work. There was a lot involved. It was very intricate. So we're doing something nice and easy today. I'm taking these pink opal crystals, which are just stunning. And I'm going to use Super Base, to adhere them to the nail with. The crystals are from Diamond Glitters as well. So head over there. There's so much stuff on the website that's just, you'll want one of everything. I have about 70% of what's on the website probably. I've got about 600, or is it 400, or about 500, let's say, glitters, loose glitters. I've got all their colours. The new ones on their way to me, so I will show you those when they get here. So I've popped these crystals on. I was kind of trying to go for a little heart. And then I'm using a bit more of the Super Base to add some of these caviar beads. I'm going to use the tiniest ones. Am I? Or are they no, I think they're the second to smallest. And pop them in there, which kind of makes it less like a heart, but I should maybe have not put one at the top so that you had that sort of meat in the middle bit, the heart, but it looked a bit weird having the other 3 and not that one. So that's going in the lamp. And then now that's cured, I'm going to use Make It Velvet again. I do love crystals on a matte nail. I just think it looks awesome. So I'm using my brush to sort of, make a little barrier around the crystals, push up to it, make sure they're all sealed in, and then make sure I finish on a downward stroke so you don't get any streaks. And there is our little sort of heart, sort of not, but it's cute, whatever it looks like. One there, and what's next? Oh, that's all of them. We're done. I'm sorry, it's a really quick video, but like I say, I thought we'd do an easy set. I hope you like it. Head over to my community tab and check out when you want me to go live at what time. Once I'm back at work, I'm going to do it with a client. Remember, those times are GMT times, so you have to adjust it to what time that will be in your country. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all okay. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you in general, just for being you. Thank you. Yes, let me know what time would be best for you for a live, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.